tell you, you sounded just like I would have been if I'd have been at my granddaughter's. I want to thank you for the wonderful job you did there. Graduates, I've got to tell you, it's been a fantastic year. But now is the time I make a proclamation. Superintendent Melba Luciano and board members, by the power vested in me by the state of Florida,
Oh, come on, man.
and you, the school board of Osceola County, I certify that these students have met all of the requirements set forth to receive their diplomas and